So, as you know, well, yeah, we're just gonna dive right into this. So this is creating the world class right here, and then I'm creating an object of a turtle object named T1, and I'm putting that turtle T1 into Earth, and then right here I'm using the object and making that call the rectangle method, which is right here, and I'm passing it two integer values. The reason I'm doing this is because down here in the rectangle method it takes two integer values in its parameters, so int L and int W for length and width. And inside this method right here, it's creating the rectangle. So it's going forward the length, turning, going forward the width, and so on until it creates the rectangle. So when we call this, it's going to create a rectangle of length 50 length 200, width 50. So let's see what that looks like. Well, actually there's three right here, but that's this one right here. So it's going length 200 over 50, 250. Furthermore, the reason this is void right here is because it's not returning any integer or string types or any data. It's not returning any data at all. It's just manipulating the turtle class or object. And right here, we can pass a method, an actual turtle object, so it just does it straight into the method, and you don't have to type the T1, T2, or whatever. So with the second turtle, I did the same thing, which doesn't really matter what numbers go where, because I mean it's just a simple rectangle. So that was this second one right here. That's what this is. It's just going up 50 over 200 and 50 200. It's essentially the same thing, but just like flip-flop. So it doesn't really matter what values you put in there, but they have to be of the integer data type. And right here, when we enter T2 into this parameter here for this second method that I created, rectangle 2, it's passing the turtle object, the name of the turtle object, into here, and it's directly manipulating the turtle T2 inside the method. So then we get this third one right here. So we passed it the first int, 100, the second int of 150, and we passed it the turtle object that we wanted it to manipulate. And manipulated it right here because it's named T in here. So we just use T dot forward. It's manipulating this, which is this T2. So we get right here, we get this.